Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh students. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing well. So my dear children, today I'll teach you maths, and in maths we will understand the concept of multiplication. The concept of multiplication. So students, can you tell me what are these? Yes, these are some circles, and in one circle there are two blocks. So if we have to do the addition of these blocks, how we do? Let's see. In each box in each circle there are two blocks. And how many circles we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now can you tell me total number of blocks? For that we have to do counting. We have to do addition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this method is quite lengthy. We can use one easy method. Okay, let's check an easy method. How many circles we have? 5 circles, and in each circle how many blocks we have? 2. So we write down 2, and how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a cross sign and write down 5. And student, we have learned the table of 2. So tell me the answer. 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. This is an easy method. So student, for avoiding repeating addition, we can do multiplication. Number 2 is number of blocks, and number 5 is number of circles. Number of circles, and 10 is the product. 10 is our answer, product, or we can say total number of blocks. So like this, a student, we do multiplication. So students, we can say multiplication sentence in 3 ways, like 2 into 5 equals to 10, or we can say 2 multiplied by 5 is 10, or we can say 2 times 5 is 8, and 2 5s are 8. In tables we say 2 5s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Like this we can say the multiplication sentence. And this way is known as, so student, this is known as horizontal multiplication. Horizontal multiplication. And there is vertical multiplication also, like 2 into 5 equals to 10. This is known as vertical multiplication. This is horizontal multiplication, and this is vertical multiplication. And this is the sign of multiplication. This X sign is multiplication sign. Now student, come to this. The number that is multiplied by another number is called multiplicand. This is multiplicand. And the number by which another number is multiplied, that number is known as multiplier. This is multiplier. And the number obtained by multiplying these two numbers are known as product. So this is multiplicand, this is multiplier, and this is product. So student, these are the some points of concept of multiplication. Now do a quick revision. For avoiding repeated addition, we do multiplication, and this is the multiplication sign. And this type of multiplication is known as horizontal multiplication, and this type of multiplication is known as vertical multiplication. We can use both method. And this number, the number that is multiplied by another number, is known as multiplicand, and this, the number by which another number is multiplied, is multiplier, and this is product. The answer of the number obtained by multiplying these two numbers are known as product. So that's it. That's it for multiplication. And one most important thing, you have to memorize tables for multiplication. Memorization of table is very, very important for multiplication. Now let's see some activities for multiplication.